We begin with the major development from the national capital, where taxi and cab drivers union have announced a 3-day strike from May 21 to May 23, demanding an immediate revision in fare rates amid rising fuel prices. The move is expected to significantly impact daily commuters in Delhi NCR and may also lead to transport disruptions if a large number of drivers join the protest. According to reports, several commercial vehicles unions have jointly decided to go ahead with the Chakka Jam type strike, during which taxi, auto and cab service are likely to remain off the road for 3 consecutive days. The union says the decision has been taken after repeated appeal to the authorities for fare revision were not addressed. The primary reason behind the protest is the continuous rise in fuel price, including petrol, diesel and CNG, which has significantly increased operational cost for drivers. Union leaders argue that while fuel prices have gone up multiple times, taxi and auto fares in Delhi have not been revised for a long time, making it difficult for drivers to sustain their daily income and household expenses. Drivers Association have also written to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor or Chief Minister urging immediate action on fare restrictions. They claim that despite previous assurance, no concrete decision has been taken, leading to growing frustration among transport workers. If implemented fully, the strike is expected to affect thousands of commuters who rely on taxi, autos and app-based cab services for daily travel, especially office goers, students and airport passengers. The transport experts warn that the impact could be even more severe during peak hours, with longer waiting times and higher demands for alternative modes of transport. The union have also raised concerns about app-based cab companies, alleging that while fuel prices have increased, driver earnings have not kept pace. They claim that commission structure and fare models of these companies are further reducing their net income, adding to financial stress. On the other hand, officials are expected to review the demand and hold discussions with union representatives. Authorities are likely to explore whether a fare revision is feasible in the current situation, while also trying to ensure that public transport services are not completely disrupted during the strike period. This is not the first time such a protest has been announced. In recent months, rising fuel costs have triggered multiple demonstrations by gig workers, auto drivers and taxi unions across different parts of the country, highlighting the wider economic pressure on the transport sectors. Experts believe that the situation reflects a larger challenge, balancing fuel price fluctuations with fair compensation for drivers while ensuring affordable travel for the public. If no resolution is reached before May 21, Delhi commuters may have to brace for significant travel inconvenience over the 3-day strike period. For now, all eyes are on the government and transport authorities to see whether any last-minute talk can prevent the strike or whether the Chakka Jam will go ahead as planned. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel.